Hi everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to share a tip with you that will save you a lot of money at home. To start, we'll need garlic. I'm going to take 4 cloves of garlic, okay? For today's recipe, the garlic has to be raw. After taking the 4 cloves, just take a small knife to peel them. And if you like this kind of content, leave a like and share it with as many people as possible. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any tips. After cutting off the bottom of the garlic, it's easy to peel it, see? After peeling all the garlic, it will look like this. And now we'll need a grater. I'll put it in the bowl and start grating all these cloves. The more macerated and liquid the oil becomes, the better the result will be. I'll move on to the next one. Next, everyone, I'll be back with all the garlic already grated. So here I just grated all the garlic. Some of it will remain here, but that's okay because we don't need a large amount. And it will look like this, see? Next, we'll need some baking soda. You'll only use a tiny bit of baking soda. The baking soda will also be useful for neutralizing the acidity of the garlic, okay? So it's good to mix a little bit of baking soda with the garlic. Oh, and tell me where you're watching this video from on the Cantinho de Casa channel. I'd love to get to know you, and that way we can see how far the videos on the Cantinho de Casa channel are reaching. Perfect. Now, we're going to add toothpaste. I'm using this toothpaste here, but you can use any toothpaste you have at home. Now we have to mix it here, very vigorously, okay? You can mix it really well, because it will make a big difference in the result. According to the tests I've been doing here at home, I've been using this tip for a month now. And now, after gaining confidence, I'm bringing it to you here with all the details. So after mixing very well, it will look like this, see? It has to have this texture. It will have this texture, and now we're going to apply it. But we're not going to use toothpaste. I'll show you the correct way to use it. Let's go to the application. Before applying, I'll explain why this tip works. Garlic is rich in allicin, which is a property that eliminates those bacteria, those germs that leave your teeth yellowed. Baking soda, besides eliminating and reducing the acidity of garlic, will also help in an astringent way, favoring the cleaning and the toothpaste. In fact, it will make our mixture last longer. Remember when you're at someone's house and you don't have toothpaste to brush your teeth? That's what we're going to do. You'll take the tip of your finger and apply it to all your teeth. Now just rinse your mouth. So here I just rinse my mouth and I'll show you the results, see? I've been using it for a month. Look at the difference in my teeth. How wonderful. Marcio, how often should I use this tip on my teeth? You can use it at most once a week. That's right. To get these results due to the high acidity of garlic, it's not advisable to do it more than once a week. To avoid the risk of damaging the enamel of your teeth, leave a note here for me. What rating would you give this tip, and are you excited to try it at home? Take this tip, test it out at home, then come back to the video and comment on the results you got.